Good evening. In today's session, we are going to discuss two important aspects. One is ecocide. I'll tell you what is the meaning of this. One is ecocide, that is related to environment. Second one is some latest developments which are put forward by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Regarding all these things, we are going to understand now. Just stay tuned. I am going to open the document for you. Have a look at this. So, this is the first one on the screen. Ecocide is often seen in the news. Very important one. Kindly remember, whenever these type of words are coming into the picture, that may be a possible question in any examination. Ecocide is often seen in news. It is associated with what? Environment, medicine, biotechnology, or none of the above. Please remember, on this even some of the countries they are making the laws, right? But what is it related to? This is associated with the environment. Please remember, environment is one of the very important aspects, not just in India but throughout the world. Entire world is mentioning about the environment, ecological balances, right? So how can you maintain it? How do you reduce the pollution? All these things will come into the picture, right? So this is often seen in the news and it is associated with environment. Look at this. The Citizens Convention for Climate, it defined ecocide as any action that causes serious environmental damage. Any action that causes serious environmental damage by contributing to overstepping the limits of the planet, and such type of any action is called ecocide. And if you look at France, the French National Assembly approved a bill that makes ecocide an offense, right? Please observe very carefully. Large number of countries in the world, they are taking such type of actions very seriously, because it is a responsibility of every person on the earth to protect our mother earth. Very important one, and kindly remember this. So from here we'll be moving to the next one, and this is the question here. This is the question: which of the following launched Nixie Academy and IP Guru initiatives? Right? IP, you must be aware of this Internet Protocol. Fine. So, whose initiatives are these? Initiated by Niti Aayog, National Informatics Center, or DRDO, Defense Research and Development Authority, Defense Research and Development Organization, or D, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology? And please remember, the correct answer is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. But what exactly are these? Let's try to understand. Look at this very closely. Just a moment. Yeah, now you can have a look at this. Look at this. The Ministry of Electronics and IT recently launched 3 new initiatives of National Internet Exchange of India. They are Nixie Academy, IP Guru, and Nixie IP Index. One is Nixie, second one is IP Guru, and third one is the Nixie IP Index. What is this IP Guru? Have a look at this. It is also called IPv6, that extends support to all Indian entities that are finding it challenging to adopt IPv6. So this IPv6 is to offer its service free of cost. This is a joint effort by the ministry and the Department of the Telecom. Right? Next, if you look at this NIXI IP index, it is a portal developed for the internet community. Everybody is using internet, right? Because the technology is so advanced and this is available at a very, very marginal and reasonable cost. It will showcase IPv6 adoption rate in India and also in the world. Right? Next, if you look at this NIXI Academy, it has been created to educate non-technical and also technical people in the country. It will teach technologies like IPv6 that are usually not taught in educational institutions. Kindly remember NIXI, IP Guru, NIXI IP Index. Please remember all the things, maybe the possible questions in any forthcoming examination. That's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class and I wish you all a very, very good luck.